Hello students, this is Neha Mathur and welcome to all in my channel. As per the present situation of COVID-19, today I am going to tell you about the best way to use this duration for engineering students. Fine. So before starting the topic, consider to subscribe my channel and click on bell icon to get updated for the upcoming videos. Since this is a duration for summer vacation and generally students opt for internships or some technical courses to enhance their technical knowledge. But present situation, because of COVID-19, the situation is not allowing us to go outside, and because of this we are not able to utilize this duration. But still there are several opportunities, several options. By opting them, you can utilize this duration more productive, or you can enhance your knowledge as well as your skills. And for that, the first important thing is, generally you should prefer, or the most important thing you should prefer during this duration is brush up your core subjects. From any branch you belongs to, if you are from EC, CS or from any branch, the first thing is brush up your all core technical subjects, your core subjects, so that you can gain your knowledge or you can prepare yourself to attend any interview or any kind of competitive exam. Now the thing is it possible to start from initial point and to complete all the subjects from starting to ending? I just want to suggest you that just revise your core subjects. You should maintain the handbook of your notes, and then the third thing is, once you are done with the revision of your core subject, try to attempt some competitive questions related to that your core subjects. So your first task is brush up your core subjects by revise them, by making handbook of notes, and the third thing is, once you are confident with concept of that subject, you should opt competitive questions related to that examination, related to that subject for any competitive examination. So just make your plan in such a way that for initial 15 to 20 days you are going to prepare, you are going to revise your core technical subjects. From any branch you belong, you should follow that step in such a manner to make confident with your knowledge, with your concepts. Once you are confident with brushing up your core subjects, the next thing comes with Google searching. What I just want to say that just relate your subjects with industry applications. Suppose you are from electronics and communication and you are studying signals and system or DSP or networking. Then once you are complete with the concepts of signals and system, then the second task is Google searching. Search what is the actual application of signal and systems in industry. Fine. So you will found that we can use signal and systems in railways application to represent any information signals is used. Similarly, in medical applications, there are several medical applications like sonography, ECG, that all applications worked on the concept of signals. Similarly, try to search all the other subjects, that what is the actual application of that subject in industry application. So the first thing is brush up your subject. The second thing is go with the depth searching of that particular subject in terms of industry application, because it will create more interest, more curiosity to all of you toward your subjects, toward the interest of your subject. You will actually able to learn that how are these academic subjects going to used once completion of your graduation. And at least you should prepare 8 to 10 core subjects related to your branch, so that you can become more confident with your technical knowledge as well as your technical skills. Fine. Now the next thing is, the important thing is your concepts is clear, as well as you are almost able to find some applications. I am not talking about that you should relate all your subjects with all the industry application, but at least you must have idea about 4 to 5 applications related to your core subject. And once you are able to find what is the actual industry applications of your subject, the next thing is practical approach of that particular course subject in industry application. Like I am again taking an example of signals and system. As you know that signal and system is going to be used in railways, in entertainment industry as well as in medical applications. Still there are several examples related to signals and system. Now the next task is relate that subject from practical approach by learning some technical softwares. Like for signal and system, MATLAB is going to be more informative for you all. So now the task is to learn MATLAB so that again you can relate your academic knowledge, your academic concept of signals and system from industry application of signals and system. This is your main task, and to learning the actual concept of that particular software, there are several online platforms are available which are going to provide, which are actually providing online free courses just to give you more knowledge in terms of technical skills. Fine. So your main task is relate your academic knowledge from practical perspective from industry application by learning technical, by enhancing your technical skills in terms of learning software, particular software related to your core subjects. If you are from any branch, you must have idea about the industry application, you must have idea about how you are going to use your academics knowledge from industry application. So I am again repeating, just make a proper chart to manage your time, in which you should mention some days. You should divide your duration in such a way that for initial days just select some subjects. You may have 40 to 45 or I think approx 40 subjects related to your branch, but you should pick some core subject with which you are more comfortable. So that's why I am saying that at least you must have 8 to 10 subjects. And if you are from second year and if you are from third year, you have already some selective subjects. If you are from second year, that means you have almost 4 to 5 subjects related to your technical branch. Similarly, if you are from third year, that means you must have approx 10 to 15 subjects, your core subjects, for which you will have to work. So the first task is brush up your core subjects, revise them. I am again repeating, revise them, make handbook of notes so that you can use that notes whenever you want to revise that subjects. And once you are done with the proper knowledge, you are clear with your subject, the next task is Google searching. Search the industry applications related to your core subjects. The next is, as per the industry application or as per the demand of industry application, try to relate your academic knowledge from practical approach from industry application, how you will be going to relate this from that. And for that you will find, when you will go with the searching, you will find that industry demands or industry wants that you must be confident with your hardware as well your software skills. So just find some technical courses or some technical softwares which you must learn during this duration. So now the question is, how we will be able to learn that particular technical skill, particular software from where we can learn, because we are not able to go outside. So for that I am telling you that there are several online platforms available which are providing free of cost internships on particular software. And still if you are not able to find that particular platform, then the best thing is that particular website, that particular site from where you are going to download your software. So everything is available on the website, everything is available on the Google platform. Just go, just search about that and make yourself as much as confident that at least after that particular duration, after your summer vacation, you are confident with at least 2 or 3 technical softwares, or you are confident with your technical skills. So use this duration, utilize this duration, work for yourself and make it more productive to enhance your technical skills. Fine. Hope you are following what I am trying to say, and if any one of you wants to know about anything related to how we can choose particular software, particular technical course, which particular software is more preferred from industry perspective, just mention your comment in comment box. As per your demand of the question, I will explain, I will try to make video related to that. So mention any doubt, any query related to that video, you can mention in the comment box. And if you are following the concept, consider to subscribe my channel and click on bell icon to get updated for the upcoming videos. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay happy, stay at home. Thank you.